Live on a Saturday night with 4-box 2022 NFL Mixer PYT number 23. 1 box of Origins International Blasters, 1 Mosaic Hobby and No Huddle box, as well as a Zenith. This was a PYT break. It hit the store live at BulldogSportsCars.com at 9 a.m. Pacific time. Thanks for those of you that were in early and often grabbing your favorite squad, and that those helped fill it live in the stream tonight, Saturday night, Twitch, YouTube. Good luck. May the Big Bang be with you all. Mechie, Pierce, both for the Texans and Malik Willis. Calvin Austin, Bailey Zappi, KJ Perry, and a Rice. Drake London, Dulcich, T-Law, and a numbered Price for the Colts. That's to 149 on the Price. Derek Carr, Mitchell, Christian Watson rookie, Justin Ross, say Drake London. That's a variation Drake London. Garrett Wilson rookie, a Wan'Dale Robinson, and an Aaron Rodgers. A Breece Hall to 299 for the Jets. Okay, what are we going to do next? We're going to do the no huddle next. Why? Because I like it. I like it. Plus, we've been yet to find like the... I know we had it in the case, but we've yet to find like a big rookie, like just in the autos, like a real big one in the Lucy's that I've had. Got to be due at some. Johnson, McBride, Herbert. Nice one here for the Chiefs. Nice one here for the Chiefs. That was timely, huh? That was timely. It's a 75 on the Mahomes. Mechie. Woodson. Malik Willis. Sauce. And a Mecole Hardman at 50. I mean, just chief after chief after chief apparently in the spot. Kolar Zappi, Justin Tucker, and a Kenneth Walker there for the Seahawks. Nice Kenneth Walker there. Goat silver with Zappi. Olave. Taylor, Howell, and a Mosaic Zappy here. Nice. Nice work there, Josh. All right, we still got the one box select. We still got the one box prism, and then the contenders optic. Both of those are very close to filling, and not huge strikes. Okay, here's our variation. And Elam. Bummer. Nice for the Bills. Jim Kelly for the Bills as well. Back to back parallels for the Bills. One a variation, the other not. There you go, Airsoft. Kenneth Walker, Ojabo, Quandre Diggs for the Seahawks to 75. Quandre Blue. Jameson Williams, Elam again. A silver Hines Ward, followed by Duvernay, Ravens. Desmond Ritter. A James Cook to 50. There's a nice one for the Bills and Airsoft. James Cook, rookie to 50. I stay finding. I should put a premium on the Bills break I should put a premium on the Bills in my breaks just because of the ratio of which we pull James Cooks. That has to be a factor. Aiden Hutchinson, rookie. Karlaftis, Davante Adams, and a JT. I got a couple cool JT autos shop. Nothing huge. Couple. These are autos for the football team. Hey, John Allen. I feel like we've had 3 of this guy. We've had like all kinds of John Allens. Sheesh. That's you, Jeff. a Jerry Rice, and an Alante Taylor. All right, we're going Zenith next. May the Z be with you all. May the Z be with you all. Don't be trying to cheat. Trying to cheat. Cheaters. Okay. First up for the Texans, it's to Brandon Cooks. That's to 10 on the Cooks. Low numbered Cooks. For the Texans and JRT. Justin Jefferson. All right, class presidents, Matt Ryan. For the Falcons, for the Titans, we have a Hassan Haskins. That's to 50 on the Haskins. Okay, that is 47 of 50 for the Cleveland Browns. Our boy Filler Johns on the Browns. Austin Hooper. Z-Graphs. Nice one here for Wade Verb. How about a Hutchinson? It's kind of sick. There you go, Wade. You were chasing him. We found him. All right, good luck, everybody. Mosaic Hobby. James Conner, J.J. Watt. Brees Hall, Pickens, Devin Lloyd, Derek Carr, and Ingram, Silver, Cardinals, and a Trey Lance montage. Pickett. Hawkinson, a red Logan Hall. Kolar, Zappy, and their auto. Tyler Batty. Kyler Murray, Kamara. Mike had the Ravens. There you go, Mike. Sam Howell. Gordon Burrow silver. Nice Burrow silver there. Dulcich, Mechie, Barry Sanders for the Lions, a red JT. Oh, a honeycomb here. Nice. Nice honeycomb for the Titans. Jay Libby. Nice one there for the Titans, the honeycomb. Henry. Silver of Brees Hall, blue chips. Sam Howell, Gardner, Chase Young, a silver Donald, and a swagger of Allen. Matt Corral, Bellinger, Joe Mixon, followed by a Brian Cox, Chiefs, and a Cousin. Pascal, Kyle Phillips, Cade Otton, and we've got a white, it seems. We've got a white, it seems. Bill, Devin Singletary, to 25. Singletary. Nice hit there, Airsoft. A Joe Burrow swagger. Jalen Burks, Johnson, McBride, our second auto. Nice. Brees Hall, sick. Not numbered, but still a sick card there for the Jets. That's you, Filler John. Sick Brees Hall there. All right, still quick recap. That was PYT number, that was 4-box PYT number 23. We're working our way up there in the number count here. We haven't even hit the Prism and Select and Optic and stuff yet of this year. We're up there already, or it's early in the football season for this year. Hall, Burrow, Batty, Pickett, Hooper, Haskin, Jefferson, The Cooks, the Allen, Duvernay, Diggs, Elam, Kelly, Bailey Zappi, Walker, Miko Hardman, DeBreece Hall, Drake London, Price, excuse me. We had the James Cook to 50, the Patrick Mahomes to 75, the Honeycomb Henry, the Aiden Hutchinson to 299, and the Brees Hall. That was our break, y'all. Thank you very much. 4-box PYT number 23.